Proper baler timing ensures adequate stuffer to plunger timing, needles to plunger timing, and knotter timing. These systems are protected by shear bolts. To avoid downtime, it's important to replace these bolts once a year and check them regularly to ensure a snug fit. If the bolts fail, they'll require more extensive maintenance. Replace them according to the instructions in your operator's manual. If the shear bolt that protects the knotter assembly breaks, you'll need to re-time the baler. The shear bolt is located in the knotter drive shaft on the right-hand side of the baler. If necessary, your New Holland dealer can help you re-time your baler. Fortunately, New Holland baler knotters are shaft-driven. Unlike chain-driven knotter assemblies, which can become loose and affect baler timing, shaft baler knotters are more reliable.